So this is supposed to be 17.6 pounds. Guys, see the size? This is on my sofa, right? On my sofa. It's on the sofa. This is it. It's a tiny thing. A kid. It's a play toy. It should be described as only being able to wash your underwear, because there's no practical clothes in washing in here. This is literally done to wash your underwear. Nothing else. Really? Really? 17.6 pounds? Disappointing.
Ok, mami, el secreto de la lavadora es esta manga. Pues la única manera que consigo que no bote el agua, la vacíe, es poner la manga ahí. Pero funciona de lo más nice y puso un montón de piezas de ropa y la secadora esta funciona perfecto. Te deja la ropa fácil seca y nítido. Me gustó, me encantó. Pero hay que dejarla así, ¿viste? Lamentablemente. Busqué la forma y no lo ve así.
So this is to show how small this washing machine is. This is one full size sheet, and it's so small that that's the whole thing that it fits. So be warned, it's really very small. Okay, so it's making this noise. I'm sure you can hear it. And then you lift it up, and it's not even like spinning. So I don't know what the problem is, but I need like the manual to see what's going on with this. Thank you.
I straight got a system going. There's the little like pantyhose thing to stop the lint. And then if the little cute dryer doesn't get it, then I hang them up right here. And then there's my fan.
those are some pretty nasty head wounds there, Doug.